Ciao friends, my name is Dhiraj Kala. I'm data analyst professional in data analytics. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about how you can create a date table in Power Query. So let's head over to Power BI desktop. This is the main screen of Power BI desktop. So to create a date table in Power Query, we'll go to in transform data, and then we'll have to select new source. There we get blank query option. So we'll select it, and there we'll go to an advanced editor. So we'll have to write m code to create a date table. So there we have already created formula to create a date table. So here we'll copy it and then paste it here. Now we'll have three options. First is start date, second is end date, and third is financial start month. So in the start date, we'll put January 2021. Here we have selected the first date, and the end date will be December 31, 22. And then the financial year will be based on the requirements. So here we have our financial year starts from the uh, June. So I just put 6 and then we'll invoke it. So there we go. We'll have date table in Power Query, and then we'll rename it as date table. So in that particular table, we'll have date, year, and all the required columns that we'll need to calculate or create some measures. Yeah. Thank you guys, and hope you like my video.